When you're single, life is simple. You take a bath or a shower, you get out, you use your towel to dry off, then you hang it on this rack. That's pretty simple. However, after you get married, you'll find things may change a little bit. Your towel rack will take on a new job, and that's to store the decorative towels that you're not allowed to use for drying off after a shower. But I have a solution for this problem. Buy a second curtain rod and mount it in back of your bathtub or shower. You now have a place to hang your wet towels again. And how about any tips for when the kids arrive? Well, if you have trouble getting them to wash their hands before they come to dinner, try this. They're LED lights that light up the water in your faucet. It makes playing in the sink fun. They're very easy to install. Just pull the screen out of the bottom of the faucet, and the light threads right into it. So when you start the water running, there's an impeller that gets turned that produces electricity. This will light the light. A temperature sensor determines whether the water is hot or cold. If it's cold, the water is blue. As the water gets hotter, it turns green. So I guess you could say this is warm water. And when you get hot water, it turns red. If the water's hot enough it'll scald you, the light starts to flash. You'll find that kids can play for hours in this light, and they'll come out really clean. Just a heads up though, even though the light's only about $11, there is the slight possibility you go to install it and it won't fit on the faucet, in which case you buy a new faucet. Then you find out the new faucet won't fit in your sink, so you buy a new sink. You find out the sink won't fit into your cabinet, so you buy a new cabinet. Just saying, that is a possibility. Oh, it also works as a great nightlight at night. Go into the dark bathroom, turn on the sink, you now have light. After you're done washing your hands, you turn the water off and the bathroom goes dark again. Well, thanks for watching.